Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to create a text divider headline, and it's just a little bit of text with a divider behind it, and that's a great little eye-catching feature to have on your site. It's really easy to do. You can get plugins that can add this sort of thing, but you can do it with just a little bit of work using the Divi theme. So let's get started. I've already got my visual builder open, so what I'm going to do is I'll add a new little section right here, blue button. Inside that section, I'm just going to add a divider module, and the divider's right there. As you can see, it's put a line in. So let's go to design and make it the color we want. I guess I'll choose a different color this time. Now the line itself, let's make it purple today. And you can use these usual sort of HTML styles you hear, dotted dash, etc. I'm going to use solid for mine. Top, well, I'm going to put mine in the middle. Sizing wise, I want it to be sort of 4 or 5 pixels wide, so it's a definite line there, something like that. That'll do fine. Let's go one more. Okay, so we've got our divider line there. That's great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text module. And as my button's hidden under my row button there, I can go to wireframe mode and just add it this way. And that's where I want to add it right there. And I'm going to add a text module. Divi comes as standard with all these modules. You get an extra dozen or so also when you add WooCommerce. There we go. So we've put our text in there. Let's switch it back to desktop view. Now if you wanted to, you could use dynamic content, and if you're going to use this as a page title, you could just put in page archive title, but I'm just going to put in whatever it is you want to put in, and we'll make it a title. Make it an H1 or an H2 depending on the importance of it. Okay, let's go over to our design, and I'm going to make it the same color as our line there. But as it's a title, we can hover over it and hit the little paintbrush right here. It'll take us right to the correct styling for it. H1, there we are. Let's make it purple. Let's make it uppercase, and let's make it bold. There we go, that looks like a headline. We can make it a little bit bigger. And I want to align it in the middle. Now what we're going to do, we're going to move this up on top of our line there. But for this to actually work, we really want a background color in here that's the same as our background. So let's go to our content. We'll go down to our background. We'll put a white background in. Now we may find we might have to adjust the Z index if this isn't on top of this one. That's very easy to do. Okay, let's go to the design tab. We'll go to sizing, and I only really want it to be about this big, which is about 50% of the actual row size. So I'm going to take the width down to about 50%. Or thereabouts. I want it to be in the middle. Great. Now we need to give it a bit of negative margin on the top to scoot it up so it's on the line there. So if we now go down to spacing, let's give it say minus 60 pixels and see how we get on with that. That is almost bang on. In fact, let's just take it down 1, 2. I think that is going to be perfect. But as you can see at the moment, we can see the line through it. That means that our divider line is on top of our text there. So we need to switch the Z index of our text to make it on top of our line there. That's easy to do. We can go to our advanced tab, go down to position, and you'll find Z index, and you can just slide this up until it pops on top of the line. That's there we are, it's done it. It's 16 below, above, there we go. And you can adjust the size of it and bring your line in by going back to your sizing and change the actual width of it. You can take it down in size and that will bring your line closer. Just get it to wherever you want it. There we go. Save our changes. Save the draft or publish if you're ready. Exit the Visual Builder. And there you have it. There's a nice little text divider. And you don't have to use these on page headlines. You can do if you want to. You can use them on sections and on modules, wherever you like. And that's a nice little feature to have on your site. Really easy to do with a Divi theme. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.